How do you share files and how do you duplicate files? That's what we're going to cover next, and this is really important because you're going to do quite a bit of both. To share a file, you head on up to where it says share, and you can go a couple different directions. You can enter in specific people's names, like you could enter in linesonclay@gmail.com, for instance. But what you're more likely to do is, first of all, decide, like, is it restricted or is it anyone with the link? And then are you going to make them a viewer, a commenter, or an editor? Viewer is the lowest level. It means that they can see the file. They can't comment on the file. They can't make any modifications to the file. They can only see the file. And then from there, we're going to show you how to duplicate. Now, we will pretty much always make you, as the student, a viewer, and then you'll duplicate the file and you'll be able to make the changes you want. But the two other levels are commenter. They can comment on various cells or cell ranges, but they can't make any changes. And then finally, the highest level is editor. They can go in, if you give somebody a link and with an editor link, that means they can go and change the file. So, like that can be really great, but it maybe not what you want to do, just depending on context. Now, let's say somebody has sent you, we have sent you a Google Sheets link and it pops you in and you're in view only mode. You'll know you're in view only mode if you can't make any changes. Like just try putting in, like, for instance, H or 5 or something, and you just can't. So what you do, you head on up to File and you press Make a Copy. What do you want to call it? Just call it My Favorite Color, right? And now you make a copy. It is your file now, right? It's no longer in view only mode. It's the same file, but now you can edit it. Sharing is going to be important for this academic journey, and more importantly, creating duplicate files is going to be huge for you. So make sure you got a good handle on it.